question. How much would 36525 amount to? So principal is given how much? 36525. This is the principal. How much would 36,525 amount to? So we have to calculate the amount, that is principal plus interest. If it was invested at 7.2 by 3%, it was invested at rate is 7.34 by 2 by 3% per annum. This is given. This is rate is given. Okay. And time is given how? 15th October. 15th October 2007 to March 9th March 2008. Time is given this much. Okay. 15th October to 9th March 2008. Okay. Calculate the days. So which are the months? October will be there. October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. Okay. In Oct, how many days will be there? It is 31 or 30 days. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So 31 minus 15 will do. Yes. 15 days we are going to remove. November, how many days? November 30 days. December 31. January 31. Feb 2008 29. March 9. Okay. Add them. How much it will be? 31 minus 15. How many days are you getting? 16. 16 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 plus 29 plus 9. How many days these are? Calculate. Everyone calculate. How much it is? Are you getting 146? 9, 18, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 146. 146
Yes,
days.
sir.
And convert them into years. So time will be 146 divided by 365.
365.
They are divisible by 73. 73. How much it will be? 2,
2 za.
2 by
5 za.
5. Okay. Keep it like this only. 2 by 5 years. Okay. Now calculate the interest. PRT upon 100. Principal is how much? 36525. Rate is how much? 7 3s are 3 7s are 21.
Sir,
21 plus
24
2.
upon 3.
24.
Sir, 23.
23 upon 3% per annum. Okay. So 23 upon 3. Okay. 100 I am putting here. Into time is how much? 2
2
by
upon
5.
3.
Okay. Calculate it now. Everyone calculate it. 36525. It is divisible by 3 as well as 5. Cancel them. Okay. Leave 100 as such. Okay. Calculate and tell me. Calculate interest. Are you getting 2 4 3 5 1 1? Okay. Multiply them now and divide by 100 afterwards. Decimal you can convert. Multiply them with 46 or multiply with 23 first into 26. 112010 divided by 100. Are you getting this much? This much rupees is the interest.
Yes,
sir.
Now what we have to calculate? How much would this much amount to? So calculate the amount, add this and this, add them. Amount equal to, this is our simple interest. Principal plus simple interest. Add them. 1120. Okay, first principal we write.
Sir, 36,525.
5 plus 1120.10. Add them.
Sir,
So
37,645.10.
37,645.10.
645.10.
0.10 or it's 10. After decimal, we used to say 105 like this. Okay, this much rupees. Is this question clear to all? Okay, try next one. Fourth one you try. Third question is clear to all. Try fourth question. Everyone try fourth question. Read fourth question and start doing. So always check the rate first, whether it's per month or per year, per annum. If it is per annum, time should be in years. If it is per month, time should be in months. If it is per day, time should be in days. Sorry. If the simple interest on a sum of money lent at 6.5% per annum for 1 year and 11 months is this much. Okay, so principal is not given to us. Rate is given 6.5% per annum. Rate is given 6.5% per annum and time is given 1 year, 11 months. Okay, and simple interest is given 897 rupees. 897 is. Find the sum of money. 897. 897 rupees. Okay, we have to calculate the principal. Okay, it is per annum, it means time should be in years. 11 by 12 years. Okay, so how much it will be? Calculate it. 12 1 12, 12 plus 11, 23 upon 12 years. Okay, and simple interest is what? PRT upon 100. Put and calculate P. Everyone put the values and calculate it. So principal equal to SI into 100. Simple interest
Upon
into 100.
R into time.
R into time. Okay. So this is 897 into 100 divided by R is how much?
6.5%.
So we can write 65 into here 100. Okay,
So 10.
into 10. 10. Okay.
10.
23 upon
23 upon
12 into 12. This you can do 23 upon 12. So 12 will go in numerator. Similarly, 65 upon 10, 10 will go in numerator. Okay. Check once.
Sir, we can cut with 5, 13, 65, 13 and 20, 10.
Okay. Try cutting them. 23, I think it's divisible as well. 897, it's divisible. It's 897. Okay. Divide them. Okay. And 5 we can consider, and 13 will go from here. So 23, 39, 13, 5 ja, 13, 3 ja, okay, 5 with here. 2.
2 ja.
Okay. So how much you are getting? 12, 6 ja, how much? 12, 6 ja? 12, 6 ja, 12 into 6. How much?
7.
72. How many zeros?
7. 2 zeros.
2 0. So this is our principal. Okay. Rupees 7,200. 7,200. Is this clear to everyone? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Do the next one. Do the next one. In what time will amount to this much at? This time we have to calculate the time. Okay. Do the next one. In what time will rupees 16,800? So principal is rupees 16,800. Okay. Amount to, amount is given 23,782, 782.50 rupees. Okay. At 8 3 by 4, rate equal to 8 3 by 4% per annum is given. Okay. 4 8 ja, how much? 32 plus 3
35.
per annum. Okay. Rate is given. And we have to calculate the times.
Time.
Okay. Can you calculate simple interest? Amount is given, principal is given. Amount minus principal. Calculate the simple interest. Calculate and tell me. 23,782.50 minus 16,800. How much you are getting simple interest? How much are you getting? Everyone calculate the simple interest. $6,000.
Sir, 6,982.50.
6,982.50 rupees. Okay, now you already have the formula. Simple interest equal to PRT upon 100. We have to calculate what? T.
Time.
T will be what? Simple interest into 100 divided by
Upon
P into
R
R.
into
P into R. Okay. Simple interest is how much? 6,982.50 divided by 100 we can write. Okay. Into 100 is there. Principal is how much? 16800. Rate is how much? 35 upon 4. So 35 upon 4. 4 will go in numerator. Okay. Now calculate.
Sir, 4 and 16,800 is divisible.
Okay. Calculate them. Cancel them.
Sir, 420.
4 4 just 16, 42, 420 I think. Calculate them.
Sir, 420.
420. Now they are divisible as well. This is divisible by 7 I think.
Sir, it is divisible by 35.
It is divisible by 35 as well. 5 you already know, it is divisible by 7 as well. Okay. You can cancel with ones with 5, ones with 7 as well. So if we cancel this one, 19,955 crore. It is again divisible by 7. 7, 60, and here 7, 285. 285, 5, 7, 50, 30, 13, 15. Again divisible by 3.
Sir, 8.
And here 95. Okay. 95. You are getting
5.
95 upon 20 you are getting. Okay.
Sir,
Further
5. It is divisible.
5 you can do it.
19 upon 7.
So 5, 1, 19 upon 4. These many years. Okay. You can convert into mixed fraction as well. 4, 16. 4, 3 by 4, I think. So time equal to 4, 3 by 4 years. Okay. You can write 4 years. And 3 by 4 years will be how many months? 3 by 4 years. Into 12? 9 months.
9 years.
9 months. Okay. You can convert 4, 3 by 4. 4 years, 3 by 4 years. 3 by 4 to convert into months, multiply with 12. So 4, 3, and 3 into 3, 9 you get. 9 months. Okay. So how much is the time? 4 years, 9 months. 4 years, 9th month. Is this clear to all? Have you all understood? Okay. Do the next one. So these are easy questions based on single formula. Either one
Yes, sir.
or the quantity won't be given, you have to calculate. Okay. But calculations always take care. Okay. Leave good space on above as well as below so that you can cancel easily. So while solving, after writing this formula, leave some space, then write it. Okay. Then if you cancel, you have the good space to calculate. Okay. Do the next one. Try 6th one.
Sir, we have to find, sir, in 7th one, sir, we have to find the rate of interest.
6th one you have to do first. In how much time will a sum of money amount to 4 by 3 of itself at this %? 6th one. Try 6th one. So read the question first. This question, in how much time will a sum of money amount to 4 by 3 of itself? Okay. So if let the principal be P, or P we can say, or rupees P. Okay. So principal we are taking as P. So what will be amount? The amount will be how much? 4 by 3 of itself. So 4 by 3 P. This will be the amount. 4 by 3p. Amount equal to 4 by 3p. Okay. Rate is given 13, 1 by 3%. 13, 1 by 3%. How much it will be? Per annum is given, I think. Per annum. 39 plus 1, 40 upon 3% per annum. Rate is given and time we have to calculate. Okay. So you can calculate simple interest, amount minus principal. How much it will be? 4 by 3 P minus P. How much? How much are you getting?
4 by 3.
Subtract them, take the LCM. P by 3?
Sir, P by
1 by
3.
3. Or we can say 1 by 3P or P by 3. Okay. Now you have the simple interest. PRT upon 100. Okay. So you have to calculate time. Time equal to simple interest into 100 divided by
P into R.
Calculate everyone. Okay. Everyone calculate it.
Sir, P upon 3 into 100.
P upon 3 into 100 divided by P into R is how much? 40 upon 3.
40 upon
40,
3.
3. Okay. P, what all are getting cancelled?
Sir,
P,
P.
P,
P and
3,
3 and 3.
0,
0
0.
and 0.
5 by
5 by 2.
5 by 2 years. Okay. It means 2.5 years, 2 years and 6 months. Yes or no? 5 by 2, it is how much? 2, 1 by 2 years. 2 years and half years. Half years is nothing but 6 months. Understood? Have you all understood? Okay, try the next one. 5 by 2 years, that is 2.5 years, 2 years and half years, 2 years and 6 months. Okay, do the next one. Try 7th one. If the simple interest on 205 rupees is this, find the rate of interest percent per annum. Okay, calculate this one. Rate we have to calculate this time. Rate we have to calculate this time. Okay, 7th one is the simple interest on rupees 205. Okay, so principal is how much? Rupees 205.
0
Okay.
5.
The simple interest on rupees 205 in 4 years. T equal to 4 years. Simple interest is 28.50 rupees.
No, sir, 70.
70. 28.70 rupees. Okay, and we have to find the rate percentage per annum. Okay, so how to calculate? Again, simple formula.
PRT upon 100.
PRT upon 100. Rate we have to calculate. R will be how much? Simple interest into
SI up
100.
into 100 upon P into T.
T. Okay, calculate it. 28.70, we can write it like this, into 100. Principal is how much? 205. Time is how much? 4
4
years.
years.
Okay, calculate it.
Sir, 100.
Cancel.
So 2870 and 205.
Yes. They are divisible.
15.
How much you're getting? 14. 205 and here 14. Okay.
7 upon 2.
14.
41 they are divisible. 41 5 as well. Okay. 4 2 7.
So 7
Seven.
upon 2.
Okay. It is how
But
much? 3.5% per annum. Okay. So rate will be how much? R you will get it here 3.5. Rate will be how much? Either write 7 by 2% per annum, or you can write
3.5 per annum.
3.5% per annum, or you can write 3.5% per annum. Don't forget to write per annum. Okay. Is this clear to all? Is this clear to all?
Yeah.
Okay. 8th question. 7th question is clear. Read 8th question. Everyone read the 8th question. Okay, 20 questions are there. 16 questions we have. At what annual rate of interest will a sum of money amount to? At what annual rate of interest will the sum of money amount to 17 by 16 of itself? Okay. So let the principal be P. Let the principal be P. Amount will be how much? Amount A equal to 17 upon 16 of itself. So amount will be 17 upon 16 P. Okay. And time is
2
given
years.
2 years, 6 months.
6 months.
T equal to 2 years, 6 months. Okay. At what annual rate? Annual rate means rate will be percentage per annum. It means time we require in years. 6 months, 2, 6 by 12.
2
Years.
is to 1 upon
2, 1 by 2 years, or
5 by 2.
5 by 2 years. Okay. And rate we require percentage per annum. Annual rate we require. So SI equal to TRT upon 100. Put the values and calculate everyone. R equal to SI into 100. P into R. Everyone calculate. So we require simple interest. How to calculate simple interest? Amount minus principal. 17 upon 16. P minus P. 1 by 16. P you will get. Okay. P by 16 you can say. So P by 16 into 100 divided by P into rate is how much? Okay. Rate we have to calculate. P into T. P into T. 5 by 2. 5 into 2. P get cancelled. 2, 8. It is getting cancelled. Calculate it. Calculate
So
it.
5 and
5 by 2 will get. Okay, 5 by 2 will get 2, 8, and 25, 5. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 you are getting. So rate equal to how much? 5 by 2
5 by 2%
percent
per annum.
Okay, remaining you want to write, you can write. Okay, 1 by 2% per annum, or depending on you, 2.5% per annum. Okay, this is clear. Okay. 8th question, up to 8th question, anyone have doubt? Okay,
No, sir.
we'll complete 9th question, we'll stop there. Okay, 9th question, we'll stop. Okay, if the simple interest on a sum of money is 1 by 3 of the sum in 3 years. If read the question properly. Okay. So interest is given how much? If the simple interest on a sum of money. So let the sum be P. Okay. Then interest will be how much? 1/3 of the sum. 1 by 3 of the sum. So simple interest will be how much? 1 by 3 of the sum means P by 3. Okay. And in time, how much is given? 3 years. P equal to 3 years. And what you have to calculate? Find the rate of interest. R per annum we have to calculate. So percentage per annum we require. Again the same formula. So Rate will be how much? SI into 100
into 100 upon
divided
P
P.
into T.
P. You derive this formula, put the values. SI
Sir,
is
P upon 3 into 100.
into 100 divided by P into
P
3.
to
Calculate it.
Sir, P will be cancelled.
100 upon 9.
100 upon 9.
9. So rate is how much? 100 upon 9% per annum. 100 upon 9%, or you can do 999. Okay, 11 1 by 9% per annum. You can do like this as well. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we stop here. Okay. Anything you want to ask regarding examination or anything? Any doubt you have?
Sir, how to update
sir.
CSoft and Teams app in laptop?
In laptop. Okay, see here in laptop, there is no CSoft app. No CSoft app.
Yes,
Okay?
sir, we cannot update it.
I have sent you the message in WhatsApp. There is a link that you have to paste in browser and it will open. It's a website. So
Sir?
there is no question.
Sir, at
Sir,
the team,
Microsoft Teams.
How to update Microsoft Teams? See here for this. Okay. Have you seen?
in my mobile, sir, no update is shown of Microsoft Teams.
Here in mobile, mainly updates, either it is automatically updated or in apps you have to go and there you have to check for updates. In app, click on the Microsoft Teams app and then it will ask for update or something like this is there.
Okay, sir.
Here in laptop, if you are in Microsoft Teams, you can see on top where your profile pic used to be there. First is the close button, minimize button, those all. Okay,
Yes, sir.
there's a profile pic. Beside these 3 dots are there. 3 white dots. These are called elixirs.
Yes, sir.
These 3 dots are called elixirs. Okay, click on them. Click on them. You will see settings, zoom, keyboard shortcuts. Okay, I can share the screen.
Sir, it is showing settings, zoom, keyboard shortcut, about, check for updates and download the mobile app.
Okay. See here. You are able to see these 3 dots, elixirs. Settings, zoom, keyboard shortcuts, about, check for updates. Click on that. Here we will check and install any updates while you continue to work. So this will appear. Is it appearing then? We'll check and install any updates. Okay, your status. Okay, it will update itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Please explain the revision exercise first question number 4th.
Question number, exercise first.
Revision
Which question?
exercise
Exercise
number
first.
4th.
Okay, tell me the page number and
40.
And 40. And 40, fourth question. Verify the associative law of multiplication for the rational numbers. Okay, multiplication law of rational numbers. Okay. So I'm taking different numbers. Okay, use that one here. Okay. So for example, you are having numbers 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm using different numbers. Those numbers you can verify over associative law. We have to define associative. What do you mean by associative law? That is, we are going to form the association. So first one, what you are going to do? What you have to prove? To prove associative law of multiplication. On multiplication, it means 2 into 3 into 4. Once do it like this, and then 2 into 3 into 4. We have to prove this one. That value of this is equal to this one. Okay. Understood this one? Associative means we are forming association. So whatever kind of association we form, it doesn't matter. Answer is going to be same in multiplication. Okay. So first take LHS. This is to prove LHS will be how much? 2 into 3 into 4 bracket. Next one. First solve the bracket. How much it will be? 3 4 12. How much? 24. This is our first answer. RHS. Take RHS. 2 into 3 into 4. First solve this one. How much you are getting? 6. 6 into 4, 24. This is our second answer. As first equal to second, they are equal. As answer first equal to answer second, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, 2 into 3 into 4 equal to 2 into 3 into 4. And then we can say, hence, associative law is verified, of multiplication is verified. Understood now? This way you do. Okay? Different numbers will be there. On this
Yes,
numbers,
sir.
you can do it now. Okay? Any more doubts you have? Okay, go to the
No,
first
sir.
chapter. If you have doubt, do ask tomorrow in class. Okay? Tomorrow we are having class. If any doubt, you may ask tomorrow. Okay? Okay, then. Thank you all.